January 6, 1915, fire in the subway. Kills 1, injures over 200. Coming up. The best account of what happened that fateful day appeared in the New York Times. It describes how a short circuit started a fire, causing 3 trains of the Interborough Rapid Transit Company, or IRT, to stall near the source of the fire. Passengers trying to escape were overcome by the smoke, which injured 210 and resulted in the death of 1, Ella Grady. The article states that 3 crowded trains stalled at 8:02 a.m. between Columbus Circle, 59th Street, and the 50th Street station. The short circuit set fire to the insulation, which filled the tunnel with a dense, toxic smoke. It took nearly 3 hours to evacuate approximately 2,500 people stuck on the 3 trains. The biggest problem was, even though the short circuit occurred at 8:02 a.m., it wasn't until 9:15 a.m., a little over an hour later, that the police and fire departments were notified by the IRT. Many of the people were found laying in the cars and in the tunnels, passed out from smoke inhalation. The only way to rescue many of those who had collapsed was through an emergency exit located at 55th Street and Broadway, which was only 3 feet wide. Here are some photographs of the rescue efforts taken by the Bain News Service and now located in the archives of the Library of Congress. The flames were confined to the insulation and the cables and never actually came in contact with the trains themselves. A downtown express train had stopped about 3 car lengths north of the location where the insulation was burning. A second express was a few feet behind it, and a City Hall-bound local was stopped about 5 car lengths north of the fire. The article describes how the smoke filled the cars. The passengers began to panic, but the guards, we call conductors in today's terminology, refused to evacuate them because of the company rules. Eventually, passengers broke windows and did what they had to do to escape, but for many it was too late as they started to collapse from the smoke. Miraculously, all the passengers escaped, sadly, except for 1, Ella Grady. Approximately 250,000 passengers were affected as power failed throughout the system. Normal service was not restored until 2 a.m. the next morning. The general manager of the IRT, Frank Headley, said that there is nothing that the company can do to prevent such incidents in the future, as insulation is flammable. However, it was pointed out that fire-resistant insulating materials did exist at the time.
Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to this channel.